Alright, so I was thrifting the other day. Yes, it's Thrifting with Hobby Hands, and this is part 2 of some of the items that I found the other day. So we're going to start out with the Nintendo Wii. I got it for $15. I did not get the power brick. Already had that, but I see those at that thrift store all the time for just like $2. And well, let's go ahead and plug this guy in. I have not used this power brick yet. I have several. Okay, there's the sense bar. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on the TV. Turn on the unit. We'll see what happens here. Oh, well, that's a good sign, of course. As always. Guess I better turn it off, huh? I didn't plug in the... Wow, I should have done this before, so apologize. Somebody really wrapped this up. Alright. I'm not going to go through everything that I got. Just the main stuff, like the chucks and stuff. Not going to worry about that. Okay, let's here we go again. There we go. And you know, my thrift store, I live in a small town, and I don't know, but man, I find a lot of things like this there. Oh, there is a disc in there, and that happens sometimes too. Sometimes people leave discs in there. Oh, so I guess it also came with a Wii Sports Resort. All right. This is one of the Wiimotes I did get. It's really clean. That was crazy. Oh, wow, that sunk really fast. It's a little loud. Well, just give me all the instructions. I mean, I'm not here to play the game, but I am here just to see if it works. Sorry, I apologize, I'm in the way there. And it works. Sweet. Again, this is the first time unboxing. Sorry you can't see the screen too much. I'm going to have to adjust the contrast here. But, so the Wii works. Awesome. Now on to the next one. See if this helps. Nope. Okay, so we're going to turn this off. So that was a good find, and I got an additional disc. That's awesome. Now, this was my next find right here. Sorry. I haven't cleaned it up or anything yet. This was also $15. And if I recall, it came with one controller. May have been this controller. If they come with the controller, it's always a bonus. You know what's crazy is, look at all these controllers. I find these all the time. That one was $2. And you know, it's a let's see, get rid of this. It's wireless. I knew that. Sorry. Had a brain moment here. Found that. I found that. Found that. It's $5. Still pretty good. Alright. Now to the ps2. I don't know, I like the ps2s. They're one of my favorites. I actually have a Slim around here too that I found. I actually have not tested it out. It's been around forever. Or I've had it. I bought it a while ago. Oh, let's hope this works. Like I said, this is one of my favorites. And I actually have a cord here already. Ugh. I'm not going to use their cord. I've rarely had an issue with the cords actually being bad. Come on. You never know if these are going to work though, right? And I think, what joystick shall I use? We'll use this one. Never found one with a memory card in it. Oh. Okay. Here's the real test. Will this one work also? Well, that's a good start. I just gotta find a PlayStation disc to throw in here. What should I throw in here? Xbox, PS3. Give me 1 sec. Let me go grab a PlayStation game. Okay, sorry about that. Lord of the Rings. Ooh, disc is a little noisy. Drive is a little noisy. I have to do some cleaning on that. It is having a little struggle. Well, I may have to work on this one a little bit. I'm sure the disc, oh, the disc is kind of, you gotta be kidding me. Dummy, look at that. Let's see if that solved it. There we go. Whew, I am messy looking tonight. All right. Well, that's another good find. That one actually works. Had a little scare there for a second. That's perfect. Awesome. Yeah, no skipping of the discs. Video looks fine. Sweet. Alright, well, I'll clean that up inside, get it undusty. Awesome. And those are the two real big finds I wanted to show you. I did get a little projector. I haven't hooked that up yet. I'll set it up sometime and you'll probably see it in the background working. But yeah, those two worked. I'm really happy. Had a little scare there for a moment on the ps2, but it was just a game protector. Anyways, thanks for watching me for a moment, and I'll see you next time.